What's going on, gardeners? It's Abundant Gardening here with another quick garden tip. Today I'm going to share with you how you can be organized in starting your seeds. So let's say you have more than one tray, like 2 or 3 or 4 trays, and you're planting different seeds in each tray. How do you keep track? Well, one way is by a very simple spreadsheet or by just writing a bunch of lines and making a table on a piece of paper. As you can see here, if you had more than one tray, you could always label it like 1 and then make your put a piece of tape or piece of marker that says 1 on your certain tray if you have multiple of them. And then from that corner, you can go ahead and label out which seeds that you plan on growing in this container. So basically, you can see here that I'll be growing these seeds based on these 6 cells and 6 rows of this Jiffy seed starting container right here. So it's very simple in order to stay organized, and it'll save you a lot of time in the long run, especially when you're figuring out what was that seed that I grew. I mean, let me know in the comments if you've ever done that, where you've accidentally forgot to label something and you're wondering, what is this? And then down below I have my plan for a raised garden bed. You know, something real simple. This can always change. I can always write out or print out something new. And then maybe just some notes here. Like on here, April 27th, I'll start some melons and cucumbers, because you don't want to start those too early or else they'll grow way too fast. And then, you know, a couple other notes along the, for the growing season. You know, things like that, real simple. Of course, you'll make better plans as the year goes along, but that's just what I wanted to share with you. If you want to see me grow out these peppers and get even more updates on these overwintering plants here, please go ahead and subscribe and follow me on the seed starting journey and as I grow my garden for 2023.